In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the moss stitch. I'm Smitha. I blog at smilingcolors.com. This is the scarf that I'm working on right now. It has a lovely texture thanks to the stitch. I'm using a size 10mm bamboo crochet hook. And the yarn that I'm using is a Woolies Thick and Quick. This is the color called Astroland. So I would say you need about 2 skeins of yarn. This is a super bulky yarn. It is a number 6 yarn. And you can see here that it recommends to use an N or 9mm hook. But I'm using a size 10 because I felt that created a nicer fabric. I like the way the thickness of the fabric came out with the size 10. So I just went up 1 size. You can substitute any other bulky yarn. I have casted on 12 stitch here. You start with 2 chains. After chain 2, you want to find the space. This is the chain space between 2 SCs. So you want to go in and single crochet in that space. Then you chain 1 and find the next space. And you single crochet in that. So I'll show that here again. Chain 1. You don't go into the SC, you go into the space between the 2 single crochets beneath and pull up a loop, pull a loop through. That's a single crochet. Chain 1, single crochet. Chain 1, single crochet. Chain 1. When you come to the last stitch, there is a space after the single crochet. This is basically the turning chain, the chain 2 that we did. So I just use this space in between and I insert my needle, pull up a loop and single crochet. So that's as simple as it is. I love the texture that it's created, and I think the variegated yarn creates a nice color distribution as well. A very, very simple stitch, very pretty. It's great to take on a car ride, plane ride, or even to just crochet while watching TV. So my scarf here measures approximately 4.5 inches wide. If you want it to be wider, I think you could go up to 6 inches, and I would say you would need 14 to 16 stitches to start with. And you can make it as long as you want. So I will leave the whole pattern, it's just a 3-row pattern basically, in my blog post. Make sure to check it out, smilingcolors.com. Visit my blog for more inspiration. I'll leave links below, and I hope to see you all again soon. Thanks for watching.